last one. Message for first your fellow black man, and second one, message for the Filipinos. Hi, Mike.
Oh my God. Message for my brothers. Well, you're free men, and I've been telling you guys that you're free. You're not bound. You are children of the Most High God. This world is yours. He created this world for you to enjoy. Go see it. Go explore the world. Go with an open mind and an open heart. Make friends. If, you know, go and see what you've been told you can't go and see. There's so many people that have made you afraid to travel. They made you afraid to go see what the world has to offer because they want to keep you in your position. They want to keep you in that little box that they brought you home in. What do I mean by that? It's like you bring a puppy home or a kitten home. You want that little kitten to stay kitten, cute and small and manageable. But now you all have turned into huge Rockwallers and pit bulls, and it's time for you to get on out that box and go see. If you will, you're not a tiger cub anymore. You're a tiger. Go explore the world. That's my thing. You're a free man. Begin to act like it. Nobody. You're not in bondage anymore. Our ancestors fought so that you wouldn't. You got your passport. You got your life ahead of you. You're not bound to one nation or another. As much as I love my country, I love the United States. There are other countries out there that you can also begin to love. So go see what the world has to offer, fellas. The world is yours. Now to my Filipino friends, let me tell you something. I ain't say this. I had a little buddy named Joey. Joey was a little Filipino kid I used to play basketball with back when I was probably about 10, 11 years old. Joey lived in a house between two of his other relatives. In other words, they had these huge houses back in Los Angeles, and they all live right next to each other. They're very close. They stuck together. Um, Beautiful family. There was a church on the corner, a Filipino-run church, and so I would play basketball at the church. Joey would, big fan of the Los Angeles Lakers, and I'm a sturdy kid, I'm chunky, and Joey was quick. And Joey would do something like this. He would play basketball and he would tell you what he was doing while he was doing it. Joey goes through his legs around the back, frees up, bam, jump shot in front of the fat kid. Joey takes it out. Joey steals the ball from the fat kid, elbows him in the chin, bam, goes up, layup. I hated Joey for a long time. I did. I did not like Joey. I was angry with Joey. I was mad at Joey. But I wish I had more Filipino friends like you, and then so I have a better picture. But I forgive Joey now. Now that I know, it wasn't just him. I mean, it was just him being an asshole to me. And big shout out to all these beautiful Filipino people. Thank you so much for your contribution and your wonderful history and what you've contributed to the world. You're beautiful people, diverse people. And just and being so open and inviting to so many black men, many of whom are looking for a home to come to, who are looking for wives, who are looking for a group of people that they can call family. We often call ourselves the lost tribe here in the United States because we are of African descent, but in reality, we're not African because we don't know our tribe, we don't know our language. So these men are just looking for homes. And so I thank you and I thank your countrymen and the lovely women there, for opening their arms up and embracing them and be open-minded with them, teach them. They want to learn. That's why they're there. And the other thing you should know, ladies, you're getting the best of us. You see, it's not a bunch of poor Pookie and Ray Rays that are traveling over there. If you got $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for a plane ticket, and that means you're doing pretty well in life. So they are the best and they're looking for the best. So I thank you all for embracing these brothers. But that's all I got to say, girl.
Yeah, and